The best way to get them onto our gel is to use a piece of linoleum tile. When you're not sure where the rodents are coming from inside your structure, the best way to get them onto our gel is to use a piece of linoleum tile. Non-porous, you're going to place peanut butter right onto the piece of tile and bring it really smooth against the tile. And then you're going to spread the gel, the Detour for Rodent and Insects gel, spread with a paintbrush, smooth against the tile so that your peanut butter and your gel are all one layer. Then the rodent is going to come and eat the attractant, the peanut butter, and they're going to get the gel all over their feet because they're going to be thinking that the gel is also part of the peanut butter. Then through a natural kinesthetic response, they're going to run up against the wall. And if you put snap traps and glue traps there, you're going to herd them right into the traps. If your structure has holes in it, then they'll go and they'll just look for the exits and they'll just exit the building.